how to make edible taco salad bowls in your air fryer.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a little bit of aluminum foil, spray it with a little bit of cooking spray, add your flour or corn tortilla, whatever size you want. I spray mine a little bit over top, that's up to you. Now, in order to use something as a form, I'm using this little ramekin. This does two things. It gives you a bowl shape and it also helps keep the bottom of that tortilla nice and flat so it won't puff up on you. And then I just use the aluminum foil to crimp up the edges. And then you're going to put this in the basket of your air fryer, just like that, at 350 for about 2 or 3 minutes until the edges start to get a little bit brown. And then you're going to remove the ramekin, or whatever glass or bowl or whatever you've used in there, and then remove it from the aluminum foil, put it right in directly into the basket, and then air fry it for another couple of minutes. And then it'll get nice and brown, and then it gets really crispy, and then you can fill it with whatever taco ingredients you want to use for your little taco salad. And it's a great way to make an edible bowl that doesn't require deep frying. For more quick and easy air fryer recipes, please check out my playlist. Thank you for watching.